What's up, everybody? My name is Dana Harris with Young Gurus Math Tutoring, and I'm back again to drop some more math jewels. In this video, I want to show you how to apply the change of base formula to convert logarithms that don't have a normal base. All right, so now the rule tells us one thing. The rule says that if I have log base a of x, then that is equal to log base 10 of x divided by log base 10 of a. Remember, a and x can be any number. Typically, it's going to be a positive number, but there's some stipulations to that. So I have this number here and this number here, and they could be whatever. But then now if I have log base 10 of x divided by log base 10 of a, that's going to convert that. I also can use natural logs. So I can say the natural log of x divided by the natural log of a. All right, so this is the change of base formula. Now let's go ahead and apply it. Here we go, some examples. So if I have example 1 is log base 2 of 6. And according to the rule, what we're going to do is we're simply going to say log base 10 of 6 divided by log base 10 of 2. And then now we have to figure out what these values are. And you're going to have to use your calculator. If you press the log button, it simply just says log. You're going to get the log base 10 of 6 is 0.778. And the log base 10 of 2 is actually 0.301. And then if we divide those, we'll get an approximation of 2.585. All right, now if you actually use the natural log, the numbers are going to be slightly different. When you get the natural log of 6 and the natural log of 2, the numbers are going to be slightly different. However, when you divide those values, you will still get this same approximation. Let's do some more examples. All right, so I'm going to keep the rule up top, and let's do example 2. All right, example 2, I want to look at log base 4 of 7. And once again, if I say, so thinking about exponent form, usually we would say 4 to what exponent equals 7? Well, 4 to the first power equals 4, and 4 to the second power equals 16. So we're going to use change of base, so log base 10 of 7 divided by log base 10 of 4. And then log base 10 of 7 is actually this number right here. Log base 10 of 4 is actually 0.602. And if we divide those, the approximation is 1.404. Notice we're rounding that off to 3 decimal places. All right, so same concept, but just a different value. Now, I'm going to do these other two using the natural log. And so by doing the natural log, so that you can see, I'm going to work both ways. So if I have example 3, or as I like to say, example tree, log base 3 of 20. Log base 3 of 20. And according to this rule, I'll say log base 10 of 20 divided by log base 10 of 3. All right. Now this is going to give me 1.301 divided by 0.477, which is approximately 2.727. All right. But I want to show you an alternate route. I want to show you using the natural log, and I'm going to be typing into my calculator. So if I take, let's do a different color. Let's do blue. So if I take the natural log of 20 divided by the natural log of 3, then let's see what we get. And natural log is ln. The button says ln in your calculator. natural log of 20 is 2.995. And the natural log of 3, or tree, is 1.09, round off to 9. All right, so if I divide those, 2.995, or 996 if we round it, divided by 1.099, I'll get 2.726, which it'll round up a little bit depending on what numbers you get. So the approximation is very similar. So here, in my approximation, I actually, let me see, if I do 2.995, because I put a different value in the calculator, I get 2.726 or 2.727, depending on those numbers, but it's still, the approximation is the same. So one digit slightly off, but as you can see, the approximation is very, very close. Either way works. It just depends on you. Let's do one last example. All right, one last example of the change of base formula, and we have log base 5 of 2. Log base 5 of 2. So that gives me log base 10 of 2 divided by log base 10 of 5, and that value is going to be 0.301 divided by 0.699, which is approximately 0.431. Now, you all have to forgive me because I technically should not be saying point, but for the sake of time and so that I don't have to say 431 thousandths, but you guys kind of get the drift. And once again, we can still do the natural log of 2 divided by the natural log of 5. And I'm going to just go ahead and give you that information. The natural log of 2 is 0.693. All right, so if I do ln of 2 divided by ln of 5, the natural log of 2 is 0.693. And the natural log of 5 is 1.609. And if I divide those two, I'm going to get 0.4307, which is approximately 0.431. So natural log or log base 10, they're going to give you the same value. That's the change of base formula. Once again, Dana Harris, please do me a good favor and go subscribe to the YouTube channel. Share this YouTube channel with someone else. I appreciate everyone for watching the videos and for following the content. Also go to Instagram at YG Math Tutoring and like the Facebook page, Young Gurus Math Tutoring. Remember, I've got the solution to your math problems.